Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a new doll review from Tantaly. You guys know I've done lots of very naughty doll reviews from Tantaly before. This one, as you can see, she's a big doll and she has a lot she wants to show you. But first, of course, we gotta get her out of this box. This box did come in a box covering, you know, all of the details and writing, so it's very discreet packaging, just to throw that out there. I just made sure that I had the box ready so that we can unbox together. So her name is Jennifer. She weighs 62 pounds and she is 30 inches long. I'm sure she's dying to meet you guys, so let me go ahead and unbox her for you. Jennifer is ready for you. She's definitely excited to meet you guys, but she is in her cute heart pink bikini. Looks really good on her fit curves. She is one of the most muscular and natural looking dolls that Tantaly has, and she's also the second largest doll that they offer. She is made of TPE silicone material, very soft and realistic feel, and her skin is a milky white. I love it. She even has goosebumps going on her chest and her rib cage, even on her very voluptuous thighs. I really like her shape. As you can see, her waist is very itty bitty. She has big boobs and they look excellent. We're definitely going to focus on those in a second. And then she cuts off at the neck with a very realistic collarbone and neckline. Absolutely stunning, always that way with Tantaly though. They make the most amazing dolls. She is very easy to transport. She was easy to pick up, and she is not as heavy as a full, you know, arm and head doll, which is always a plus, but her body is, as you can see, very similar to a real woman's body in length and size. Starting with her boobs, they are very bouncy. She will bounce with every thrust that you're going to give her. And they are very squishy. The way that you can grasp her during playtime, and her nipples are very hard already because she's so excited when you touch her. Those goosebumps, it just gives you more of a realistic feel to your experience. Let's go ahead and get that off. Very beautiful, so natural the way they scoop and protrude at the nipple, and the color is just so pretty. It's a pretty pink. I love how many goosebumps she has. The other Tantaly dolls, I feel like they do not have as many goosebumps as she does. She happens to have quite a bit. I really do love the way that she feels. And just look at the bounce. Absolutely incredible. I believe her boobs are hollowed inside, which gives them a very realistic feel, and they are just incredibly squishy. Now you can try different positions with her, of course. Right here we have her in a cowgirl position right on top of you, but there's other positions such as missionary, which I'm about to show you, as well as doggy style. We'll get to that one last. Now let's do that missionary position so we can show you the amazing tunnels that you're just dying to see. I know you are. Here she is in that missionary position. Oh my gosh, she looks so amazing, so sexy. You can see her pores and goosebumps even more on her bum. Now she has a very structured skeleton that allowed her to sit up in that cowgirl position, and now you can see how her thighs are incredibly flexible, which allow her to stretch open however you want her to. And here it is, you guys, that gorgeous tunnel. It is the vaginal tunnel and it is amazing. It's so beautiful. She obviously has no hair. She gets a frequent wax, and she has a very pink pussy with a nice clit, and you can even see her lips very, very realistic and very nice feeling with how it feels and how squishy it is. You guys will have so much fun when you get to play with her. Of course, you can see her boobs bouncing as you thrust, like I said. And then you even see some of her ab structure and her gorgeous navel. So realistic and just feels so soft. I can't stop squishing her. Let's get a look inside. I'm going to spread her open. And there is her tunnel. Oh my gosh, I can't even see where it goes. It almost looks like a winding tunnel, the way it circles the inside. I cannot feel where it ends. I probably could stick my entire hand in there and I still can't find the end of that. So if you're worried about her not fitting you, she will go as deep as you want to. No worries. Let's open it up one more time so we can get a look at those bumps. So here is the bumps, and there's ridges, and even on the inside it is pink and nude, which again, more realistic feeling and very, very squishy. Cleaning is very simple. You just use the tool that Tantaly supplied you, and you can use some water and she'll be good to go for another use. I know some of you are crazy about those tunnels, so I definitely want to put her in the perfect position to see everything. Here we are. Just look at that. She has a very large, natural fit booty, so no BBL here. It's all gym. She definitely stays nice and tight for you, but she has squishy parts in the places you want them to be. This booty is very squishy, just like her boobs, but it's a lot more smackable. I really love these indents right here where it meets her thighs. Very, very realistic. I have to say I'm very impressed with how realistic she is. Tantaly always does a good job with that though. Here is the crack leading down to the anal tunnel. You can even get a little peek of her vaginal tunnel. It is still very, very tight even after all that moving around, and you can do whatever you want in there. But if you'd like to alternate, or if you want to just shake it up and do it only in the anal tonight, this will be perfect for you. This hole is incredibly tight, as you can see. I do not feel an ending, so it's just as deep as that vaginal tunnel, but it's a lot tighter, even though that vaginal tunnel is super tight as well. This one is for just that extra pull, that extra grip. You're gonna feel those ridges, those lines, those bumps. It's gonna feel so good, and the deeper you go, the more it pulls you in. I don't know how long you're gonna last, but your girl's always here and you can just wash her up and go again. As I showed you in that vaginal tunnel, the anal tunnel also has the same design. It is actually a spiral design that is designed to keep you in longer and suck you in even more. Very, very innovative. I have not seen a spiral design before. Very, very impressed with that. Let's just spread her open one more time, and then we might have to say goodbye. Wow. Okay guys, that is it for Jennifer. She's gonna have to say goodbye to you guys for now. Of course, you can always say hello again. In my description, I'm gonna have a link and you can get a Jennifer of your own. I really love inviting you guys into my bedroom to introduce my girlfriends, and I can't wait to see what you guys think of her, so please comment down below if you loved her. If you have other dolls from Tantaly that you want me to try, please get in that comment section. I will be there. And like I said, description for Jennifer's link. And of course, I have a special discount code for Jennifer. It's going to be Angel for 10% off any product. So not just Jennifer, you can even try Monroe, or what about Brittany and Stacy's mom, or even Ava. She was very naughty. Alright guys, this has been so much fun. I can't wait to see you on my next adult review. Bye, see you then.